This is how I made money buying Bitcoin and the DAX using edge fill. So let's get right into it, okay? So we had quite a bullish market sentiment coming this morning into the New York session. Obviously, South African time, later afternoon, we were trading above previous day's highs. Obviously, first day of the week, a Monday. On the S&P, on the NASDAQ, you can see up 1.2 and 0.75% respectively between the S&P and the NASDAQ, right? You can see top hand right section. And obviously using edge fill statistics, I love looking for those previous days highs and lows. Okay, so if you haven't checked edge fill out, I'm going to show you how I actually use some of the reports, but please go check them out, link in my bio. Okay, so let's go to the DAX first. I did take a loss on this before actually jumping back in. So this was the first initial trade over here. Okay, like that. I like the longs heading into the New York session. We wanted a little bit of a leg down, which we got, and then I ended up catching this move. So I got stopped out and then ended up catching the move later on. Here's my P&L, obviously, on the day. Sorry, before we get into it, there's my P&L on the day, Monday, the 6th of Jan, 2025. Let's go to edge fill statistics. Let's go to futures. Okay, let's go to futures. And let's go to the previous day's range report. This is obviously one of my favorite reports with edge fill. Now let's go to FDAX, obviously DAX futures, and let's go 1 year. In the last year, when we've taken out the previous day's highs on a Monday, 95% of the time we actually close as a bullish closing day. Now, how can we use that? Well, obviously, we took out the highs over here, this white dotted line coming across my screen here. We took out the highs. This is the 50-minute chart, and price was still making bullish high lows. Pretty simple price action. I don't keep my technical analysis. I don't try to be the fanciest thing on earth, right? I use data-backed statistics from edge fill to help me make decisions. So we took our previous day's highs and previous week's highs. Both these indicators you can get with edge fill. If you come over here by invite only, you'll get access to them. But first, you have to request access over here, right? Get access now. So as you can see, a pretty high statistics that we're going to close as a bullish closing day. And that was simply my first loss on DAX, and then I got back in with the winner. Second trade over here on Bitcoin, we're obviously back above 100K right now. I was actually holding it since previous days, since the market opened Sunday night. Okay, you can actually see Sunday coming into Monday. Very, very neat price action structure. Okay, very, very nice on Bitcoin. You can see off the 200 EMA on the 15-minute chart, breaks above previous days highs again. Pretty simple. Okay, breaking above previous day's highs. Same as what we did on the S&P, breaking above previous day's highs. Okay, so let's go to the Bitcoin chart, crypto, okay, and go to the previous day's range, Bitcoin in last year. On a Monday, 80% of the time, if we take out the previous day's highs, we are actually going to close as a bullish closing day. So very simple. Using those previous day's highs and lows as areas of confluence. Now, something that I have noticed coming into 2024, from 2024 into 2025, jeez, really forget it's a new year, time flies, but is that obviously using TradeZilla, my daily report cards, right? You can actually see that I'm using the 50 minutes. I found in 2020, in 2024 that my statistics weren't too great trading the lower time frames. I've got a 2024 review coming out on my YouTube channel, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But actually something that I did do quite nicely today, and we'll actually get this up. Okay, let's go like this, and let's actually get this up here for you. Like that. So I actually forgot to share this. Like this. Let's just wait. Let me get it up for you guys. There we go. I actually passed a Hydra account today. Now, again, you can check Hydra out in the link in my bio. So something I did try out on this Hydra account is just slower, more, type of a swing style system. So you can see there's the account over there that I passed on my TradeZilla. We can just go to my report section over here, and let's go to overview. You can actually see my average hold time was 8 hours and 39 minutes for all my trades. Winners, 7 hours and 5 minutes. And losers, which can be better, 12 hours and 26 minutes. But my average winning day, $6.43, average losing day, $43. So pretty simple, but something I wanted to try on this specific day is, this specific account is I wanted to slow things down and not look to scalp. I think coming from last year into this year, I've realized that scalping doesn't really suit me, and I'm more like this longer term, more cold for a couple of hours type of vibe. It slows things down for me. Particularly, I'm going to be a dad come February, literally in a month's time, and I'm having a son with my wife, and I want to slow things down. So very, very nice day for me getting obviously this Hydra account over the line. You can see I'm on to phase 2 now. So really, really nice getting it over the line with that Bitcoin and DAX trades using Edgefill statistics. So this is actually how you can use Edgefill in order to pass prop firm accounts. Okay. So waiting for those high probability days. Now, you guys know that I'm also going to be looking at, I've moved over halfway through last year. So make sure to go check out that 2024 review. But I moved over from the currencies over to the indexes and stocks, and obviously going to be looking at a little bit of Bitcoin now as too. But a solid trading day, we'll take that and we'll move on. So again, go check out Edgefill. The links are on backgrounds all here. Go check them out, the link in my bio, and then go check out Hydra as well. You can use James for a code James for a discount with them too. But obviously, ASFX TV is the place to be to watch me trade live every single day. I took these trades live on ASFX TV. So that is where you can watch me and Austin and Ev and all the other great guys part of our team trade live. We're now part of Wall Street, not the Christmas vibe, but on ASFX TV over here, right? As you can see, every single day, asfx.tv is where you can find me. So I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you for the next daily review.